What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update on Gala. As you can see, it's pumping up again in value. In the last 24 hours it is up just about 12%, currently trading at 0.05323. As you can see, most of the pump did come from very early this morning. So where is it heading to next? Is it heading to the 6-7 cents target, or is it going to drop back down? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go? Can it hit 10 cents this month in January with 2 weeks left? Can it do that or not? So that's what we're going to be going through as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up another 0.5% in the last 24 hours, and we've got Gala as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, in the last hour, even though it has dropped a percentage, overall it is up 12% right now. Over the week, 25%. And over the month, a massive 160%, guys. So I did mention to you guys a couple of days ago when I was making a Gala update, do expect the crypto to pump up in value, drop back down, pump up, drop back down. It is going to be a repeated cycle, and that's what's been happening right now for the past approximately week and a half, and it's likely to carry on this way as well. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 5% in the last 24 hours, making it $438 million in trading. And again, there's no doubt that this will go up over the coming hours, and this percentage will turn into green and go up as well over the coming hours as more and more people get to know about Gala and its pump. We're going to see more investors, more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and we've got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is currently valuing Gala at 0.03336 here in purple. However, it is trading at much higher value here at 5 cents, 0.05359 here in green, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I go into all of that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see? The blue and the orange line are both heading towards a bullish direction, looking quite positive. Yes, guys, an overall increase in value is what I'm also expecting from Gala over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting Gala to head towards the 6 cents target, guys. Again, I'm not saying it's going to hit the 6 cents target, but head towards there is what I'm expecting. Yes, I'm also expecting red candles in between for it to drop in value, so on and so on. But the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Gala over the next 12 hours. But again, it is going to be a minimal increase. It's not going to be a major pump or anything like that. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking bullish, still looking very positive, guys, meaning an overall increase is again expected over the coming days from Gala. So let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Gala to potentially be above the 7 cents target by this time next week, so over the next week or so. And also, guys, that does not mean it's going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to hit red days in between, but it just means the green days are going to overcome the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Gala over the week or so. So by this time next week, we should be trading around the 7 cents target is what my expectations are at the moment. So moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are again still looking bullish, going in a positive direction. So guys, an overall increase in value is again expected from Gala over the coming weeks. So let's say by mid-March to late March, I'm expecting it to be trading above the 10 cents target, guys. Again, 10 cents may not seem like a lot compared to what it's worth at the moment, but it's all about slow and steady growth. We don't want it to pump up in value to 10 cents out of nowhere and then drop straight away back down. We want it to go in a slow and steady pace, and that's why I'm giving it a good 2 months to hit the 10 cents target and potentially head towards there in a slow and steady pace by, let's say, mid to late March as well. But again, that also does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 weeks or whatever. It is going to have red days. As I mentioned earlier, the repeated cycle of pumps and dumps or peaks and drops is very likely to take place, but as long as the overall outcome and the overall result moves towards a positive direction, that's all that matters. But yeah, so far it's looking very good for Gala over the coming weeks and months as well, and hopefully we can maintain that for the rest of the year as well. And as you can see, Bitcoin has finally managed to head into its $21,000 mark after a good couple of months, guys. So yeah, 2023 so far has been very good for the crypto market in general, and especially Gala, as it has been one of the trending cryptos and one of the cryptos that has been gaining a lot of value since the start of the year. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, even though we are still in the red zone, guys, we are getting closer and closer to hit the resistance target here to head into the green zone. And again, we need to hit 20 cents. When I'm expecting 20 cents is towards mid of this year. We should be able to head towards the resistance target here, resist a little bit, and then the second half of the year we should be potentially trading in the green zone. That's what I'm expecting right now. But again, guys, this depends on the market conditions. For example, if there's any major crashes or major bull runs and price pumps, this will have a major impact not just on the value of Gala but the whole crypto market in general, either in a positive or negative way. But either way, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So these are my takes and my predictions on Gala, guys, and for it to hit 10 cents, hopefully, guys, over the next month and a half, again, as I mentioned earlier, by late February to mid-March, we should be seeing it around the 10 cents target. But again, you guys have asked for regular updates on Gala, which I have been doing, or even daily updates, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, as it means a lot to me and help me out a lot as well, as you guys know, the YouTube algorithms and so on. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. If you guys have any other recommendations on any other cryptocurrencies that you guys want me to cover on this channel, comment them down below and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And yeah, on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.